Evan, can you look at this?
Hmm? What happened?
This says 12 pounds, but I don't see dollars anywhere.
Yeah, because it's not dollars.
Then what is it?
Pounds. That's the currency here.
Pounds. Like weight?
Yeah, same word, different meaning.
Okay, I already feel like I need a guide. We're finally here.
Yeah, London.
It feels familiar, but also new.
Same language, different energy.
At least we won't struggle with English here.
Let's not be too confident yet.
You can put your luggage in the boot.
Did he say boot?
Yeah,
Why boot?
I think he means the back of the car.
Oh, like trunk?
Exactly.
Okay, first lesson of London.
Hello, welcome.
Hi, we have a reservation.
Of course. May I have your name?
Kia.
Ah, yes, I see it here. How was your journey?
It was good. A little tiring, but nice.
Yeah, first time in London.
That's lovely. You picked a good time to visit. Here's your room key. You're on the 3rd floor. You can take the lift just around the corner.
Okay, now I'm hearing this word everywhere.
Yeah, lift means elevator.
Same thing. New word again. This place is busy.
Yeah, but very organized.
Mind the gap. I keep seeing this.
It probably means be careful while getting in.
Oh, yeah, there is a gap.
Now it makes sense.
They say things differently, but it's actually helpful. I like this place.
Hmm?
It's calm, but not boring.
Yeah, it has character.
And a lot of new words. This is cute. I think I'll take this.
Yeah, looks nice.
Hi there.
Hi.
That will be 12 pounds.
Okay, I'm getting used to pounds now.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
That's 20 pence for the bag.
What is P?
Pence, like small change.
Oh, like coins. That's okay. I think I just need coffee now.
Same.
Hi, what can I get for you?
1 coffee, please.
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's all.
Will that be takeaway or are you staying?
I know this one. We'll stay.
Perfect.
See? I'm learning.
Fast learner.
It's funny. I thought this trip would be easy.
Because of the language?
Yeah, but it's not just about language.
It's about how people use it.
Exactly. Same English, but a completely different world.
And we're just starting to understand it.